Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Begin with safety and hardware checks before attempting a Dodge Charger GT launch. Check tire pressure at 3236 psi and confirm good tread to maximize traction. Inspect brakes and steering for play. Warm the engine and transmission for at least 10 minutes to stabilize temperatures and fluids. Verify that you are on a closed course or private asphalt with no pedestrians and wear seatbelts. Learn the car's stability and traction control settings. Consult the manual to know if launch control is available and how it behaves. Never attempt on public roads. Configure the Charger GT for an optimal launch. Choose Sport or Track Drive mode to sharpen throttle mapping and firm up transmission shifts. If your car offers factory launch control, enable it and follow the on-screen prompts to engage the system. It automates clutch and throttle for repeatable launches. If launch control is not present, for a torque converter automatic hold the brake firmly, apply throttle to roughly 500 RPM, then release the brake decisively to transfer torque. Disable or adjust traction control only on a safe closed course to allow controlled wheel. When ready, align straight, look ahead, and breathe. Execute the launch by releasing the brake decisively to transfer torque to the pavement, aiming for the initial lift near 500 RPM for consistent results. Keep the steering wheel steady and focus on smooth throttle modulation to prevent wheel hop. Shift at about 500 RPM to stay in the power band and be ready to back off if traction changes. After several aggressive runs, allow 5-10 minutes of light driving to cool the drivetrain, inspect coolant and transmission temps, and check fluids to prevent wear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.